Hey everybody, it's James Weatherman. How is everybody doing? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about that upcoming possible major winter storm for Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, and maybe even into Michigan. Let's get right into the video. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I hope everybody is staying safe and enjoying the holiday season. So let's talk about, this is out of the National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Wintry weather Friday night into Saturday. Uncertainty still remains high at this time, but chance for light rain across southern Wisconsin Friday. Potentially change over to snow late Friday night and lingering into Saturday night. The big question and unanswered questions would be exact storm track strength and snow amount details. We're going to look at some models. We're going to look at the NAM and we're going to look at the GFS. And you can tell that there is that fine line. Where's that temperature going to be? Is it going to be low enough for snow? Is it going to be starting as rain, going into freezing rain, and you're going to have an ice storm? That temperature is going to be the real big cause of this, the outcome of this storm. So general trends to the south, more shifts possible. As you can see, it's more north of Chicago, and dry air influence, sharp cutoff amounts. If dry air gets into areas of the storm, there may be a little bit, say like in Milwaukee, there may be a little bit more to the west, and then Milwaukee doesn't get as much. But we will look at the snow amounts in a second. A model. This is out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. It's kind of the same general trend with the snowfall higher in the Madison, going all the way down to Des Moines, Iowa. And even Minneapolis may get some snow, but it's a lower risk and potentially for a lower amount of snow. So a system looks like it will impact the upper Midwest with some wintry weather from late Friday into Saturday. There's low confidence in the details with the system because it's still several days out, including the track, precipitation type, and how much snow may fall. Monitor the forecast from trusted source, especially if you have travel plans later this weekend or over the weekend. Later this week or over the weekend. Now let's go on over and look at the NAM. This is from Pivotal Weather. I was just really quickly looking at snowfall amounts, but we will go look at moist surface. Let's go. So we're just going to take a quick glance at the 1,500 millibar, 1 kilometer reflectivity. This is just a model. This is not what the radar is going to look like. But as we move forward, see kind of that low is going up. We'll be approaching the Wednesday night, or Wednesday to Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. That low will be into the northern Wisconsin, according to the NAM. As we push forward several more hours, this is that Friday night at about 6 p.m. So according to the NAM, Friday at about 6 p.m., you see 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, you see some rain, likely in the Chicago area, going all the way down and going into the Missouri area. But that temperature, where's that dry air going to be? The temperature, is it going to be freezing rain? Is it just going to be rain? Or could it possibly be some sleet switching over to snow? Looks like most of the northern part of Illinois and the southern part of Wisconsin going into Iowa. Looks like, according to the NAM, it looks like it's gonna be snow, but that question is where that temperature is gonna be. Will this snow accumulate? I'm assuming that if the temperatures are just right, below probably in that 28 or lower range, I could see on the grassy surfaces it accumulate. And you could get anywhere from 3 to 6 inches all the way up to, there's some areas that I'm looking at, and I will show that in the future. We're looking at even all the way up to a foot, possibly. Like I said, this is just a model. This is a couple days out. We don't know the dry air. We don't know the temperatures currently. We're only looking at forecasts. So as we look into here, looks like it stays on that borderline of Illinois and Wisconsin. And then you kind of get into that Friday. Now you're really looking at heavy snow. Switching from, it's looking like it's going to stay more north of Illinois. So Chicago could be seeing some rain, some light rain, maybe even up to a moderate rain. As you can see, that low is on the eastern or the western side of Illinois. So I think it's going to keep the main heavy band of snow north of the Illinois border into Wisconsin. And the low is gonna push its way out, and this will likely go probably into Saturday night, maybe Sunday early morning. Now, we can go over and look at the GFS, and the GFS showing, as you can see, is showing, this is as of 6 or 7 p.m. Saturday, is showing that the GFS is showing that it's going to be a little south of where the line of snow shows on the NAM, showing just near Chicago, maybe even up to 7 inches of snow. And like I said, this is just a model, just a prediction, but it's showing on the GFS that line is going to kind of stay in the central Illinois, stay in the Missouri area. But the NAM is showing that it's going to be in the Iowa going into the Wisconsin. Let's actually look at the snowfall accumulations for the NAM. We can kind of get a better say. Now we see this is Saturday, 6 p.m., kind of in the same time. NAM is showing that it, like we seen on the precipitation reflectivity type, it's showing that it's going to be staying north of the border. You may have a couple isolated spots, 6 to 7 inches on the borderline. But as we've seen, we can look at temperatures as we look. It's probably going to be warm enough that we probably won't see that much snowfall in that area. So on this is showing that it's around between 3 and 5 inches. Let's go look at the temperature. And I'm just gonna fly right through all the way to the end. And it looks like temperature's gonna be right above, a little bit above freezing, right on that borderline of Illinois. And that where that temperature looks, you will see snow. And it looks like the temperature is going to stay right around freezing Friday into Saturday. So, the potential for snow. I am saying right now, I'm forecasting that we will see in this area from about northern Missouri all the way up into Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, into right on that borderline of Illinois, into Wisconsin, I'm gonna put on that side possibly six inches, getting on that line of 6, maybe locally a little bit more. Wherever that dry air is going to be the question. As you can see on the NAM, you see how it's showing 5 inches here, but just north of it is a little less. So the NAM is saying, forecasting is saying, oh, there's going to be dry air here. And this is just a forecast. This is a prediction. Until we get to like that 12-hour range, the NAM and the HRRR, we don't really, even then, that's snow is hard to predict. That's why I'm a severe weather streamer. Severe weather, I do a lot of severe weather stuff. Snow is kind of unpredictable. But I'm going to say in the areas of red, I'm going to say, or purplish, I'm going to kind of agree with it. I don't know if it's going to get above 8 inches. As you can see right here, it's going into 10 inches. I don't know if... Come back to me in 2 days. Or tomorrow. Actually, come back to me tomorrow. And I'll be able to look at the HRRR and see kind of... Because this is 84 hours from now. Total from 84 hours. But that's just the update on this upcoming major winter storm. If you are in Chicago or north, even into going as far up as the lakes, staying on that lakeside, I would be aware that you likely will see some snow sometime within the next couple days. If you're in Iowa, you likely will see some snow, as you can see on the forecast from the NAM model. But stay weather aware. Don't let this catch you off guard. And it will probably melt. And be careful when you're driving. Stay safe during the holidays. I hope everybody has a good day. Leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite dinner is during Christmas time, or your favorite appetizer or side dish. Let me know. I hope everybody has a good rest of their day, and stay weather aware.